Today I'm going to discuss about anxiety and depression in small kids between 6 to 10 years of age. Today I saw a kiddo with a complaint of headache and stomach pain. Workup including the CT scan of the brain, everything was unremarkable. And when I told the parents that likely this is some kind of underlying anxiety, they were surprised. And in general, this is a concept that anxiety and depression is not possible in small kids between like 6 to 10 years of age. Few symptoms which we see with the kids with anxiety is they are restless, they are agitated, throwing tantrum, gets aggressive with small things, always doing some kind of thing, naughty thing or something to get attention to the kids or to the parents. And sometimes they get upset whenever they are apart or they are alone. They like to stay with the parents. And sometimes we also start seeing some kind of regression like bedwetting and baby talk. So whenever the parents ask us about is this something possible, that anxiety or depression in the small kids like this age between 6 to 10, yeah, this is possible. The anxiety and depression is there, and we do diagnose the kids, small kids with anxiety and depression. And why it's important? It's very important because then you can manage their anxiety and depression with a different way. The whole medication and the whole scenario is basically changed when you make the diagnosis that the underlying cause is the anxiety. So, and then it improves both their mental health and physical health. They improve their performance in school also. One more thing we see in anxiety with the kids is they are unable to stay focused. And sometimes when the kid comes in and they think that the kid has an attention deficit disorder, but actually it's the underlying anxiety. And the underlying anxiety is causing, and that is why basically the patient is not able to focus. Regarding any question, if you have any question regarding this, if you have any question about anxiety and depression in small kids, please feel free to ask. Thanks. Have a good day.